This video has taken me 4 months to complete. I started it in spring and I'm finishing it up just about before we hit fall when I will post this video. So enjoy this mishmash of clips I have. All right, I managed to make it across the street. All that grass line over there will be fished. Hopefully I get one on video for y'all. What that's down there in his gut. But he already shook it out. Let him go. I got him right off that tree right there. This video has run me so far, and this day I was trying to be strategic. I was gonna target the shaded mats. As you can see, there was a bunch of just muck on the edges of the water, so I knew there was a fish probably sitting right underneath it. Decent fish. Oh, okay. I did not have a camera rolling, so this is just a clip of me getting the fish after I had caught him. I think 3.2 pounds. FYI, caught him on a Z-Man chatterbait jackhammer, the expensive one. Wow, look at him. All right, let her go. Woo! Well, I've made it to this little pylon, and we're gonna try some fishing off of this. One thing I kept doing was the minute I stopped recording, that is when the fish would bite. So you guys keep getting all the catches like mid fish catch where you don't see me set the hook. So here's some honorable missions. Both of these were pretty decent fish, like at least 2 pounds plus. The first one was around 3 pounds. So yeah, did good this day. I didn't even get on the water and I seen some blow ups already. You can still see them right there. Look, right where these buoys are. Something's biting. But the fish jumping out of the water were definitely about the same size as this little guy. So we're matching the hatch for sure. Oh my gosh, they're behind. Oh yeah, that's a bass right there. I can see him popping out. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got one, finally. Yes, finally, Jesus Christ. Oh, he's fighting. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's not even that big. He just has a lot of fight in him. Hey, look at him, not even that big. Go fight again. Oh. Oh, he got off. Damn. Oh yeah, they're popping. The minnows are, at least. They think, oh my God. Oh, he's following it. Oh my God, there was one following it. I don't know if y'all saw the flash underneath. Once I got to the boat, he was about a good 2-3 pounds. All right, guys, look, there's a school right by me. Alright, so ultimately, to fish this lake or river, I did a lot of targeting structure like the pylons or drop down tree limbs. Didn't get any super big ones. this time, but at least I got something. But this is me trying to fish downtown Austin in multiple different ways. I hope you guys learned something. Bye.